Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the connection loss error in Dying Light the Beast. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify game files integrity. Content Launcher, Game Launcher, Steam, Epic Game Store, Look at Dying Light, the following. Enhanced Edition in your library. Find the option to verify the integrity of game files or check for updates. This process will scan your game files and replace any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the connection lost error. Allow the process to complete fully before restarting the game. If there are updates available, ensure you install them before proceeding.
Set to check your internet connection. Content ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Test your connection speed using an online speed test. Restart your modem and router to resolve any temporary network glitches. Check for any network outages in your area that may be impacting your online connectivity. Consider using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection, as Wi-Fi can be more susceptible to interference. Step update network drivers. Content outdated or corrupted network drivers can interfere with online game connectivity. Open your device manager, search for it in your operating system search bar, expand the network adapters section, right-click on your network adapter and select update driver. Choose to search automatically for drivers or manually provide the driver from your manufacturer's website. If available, restart your computer after updating the drivers. Step adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Content your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Dying Light the following. Enhanced Edition from accessing the necessary online servers. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus to see if the error persists. If the game works correctly with them disabled at Dying Light the following. Enhanced Edition as an exception in your firewall and antivirus settings to allow the game to access the internet without interference. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. Step contact tech support content if the previous steps haven't resolved the connection lost error. The issue may stem from server-side problems or a more complex technical issue with your system. Contact the game's official tech support or your game platform's support team. Provide them with detailed information about the error, your system specifications, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They may offer further assistance or identify a known issue affecting other players.